So, what is the next topic now? How do metals react with solution of other metal salt? 3.2.4. How do metals react with solution of other metal salt? So we have to see, we have already seen this, how do metals react with solution of salt solution, sorry, salt solution of metal. Is it the fourth number point? So how do metals react with the salt solution of metals? So if we see about the salt solution of metals, salt solution like one of the metals like copper sulfate, sodium nitrate, NaNO3. So this is a salt solution. Again, can you give me magnesium sulfate? It is a salt solution of metal. Again, if we see lead nitrate, PbNO3 bracket 2. So it is a salt solution. So what happens when we react them with the metal? So as we can see, the reactivity series, those are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, after that lead, hydrogen, copper and so on. So this is the reactivity list. Reactivity list of metals. So now if we see here metals, that is the metal present here, it is copper. So this is the copper here. So among these, so hydrogen is not the metal. So among these we take any one of the metal. So let us assume the metal is whom? It is sodium. So when we react the metal, we have taken the metal as a sodium reacting with whom? Copper sulfate. So sodium plus copper sulfate gives, as we can see, sodium is more reactive than the copper. Yes or no? So sodium metal is more reactive than copper. So that is why sodium will displace from copper and itself will become as a sodium sulfate and the copper will be displaced out. Let us see another one. So here we have taken the salt solution of metal as a sodium nitrate. So sodium nitrate. So here is the sodium. So we will take the higher reactive metal, which is potassium. So potassium reacting with sodium nitrate. Here the potassium will displace from sodium from the salt solution and itself it becomes potassium nitrate and the sodium will be displaced out. In short, we can say this reaction is going with what? Displacement reaction, where a reactive metal displaces a lower reactive metal from its salt solution. So magnesium. So if we take magnesium, so here is the magnesium. Now if we react with the calcium, then calcium will displace the magnesium from its salt solution, then itself become calcium sulfate. If we react with the sodium, then sodium, as it is higher reactive than the magnesium, so it will take the place of magnesium and itself become sodium sulfate again. So potassium, if we react the magnesium sulfate with the potassium, then the potassium will displace magnesium from its salt solution and itself become potassium sulfate. But when we react with the aluminium, as we can see, aluminium or zinc or iron. So iron, zinc, aluminium. So they are lower reactive metal. No, they are lower reactive metal as compared to magnesium. So as a result, they cannot displace from the salt solution. So therefore, there will be no reaction. Clear? All of you? So now, next, here our next salt solution, it is lead nitrate. It is lead nitrate. So lead nitrate is here. So if we react among all these metals with the lead nitrate solution, then here will be the reaction taking place. So let us take an example. Which one? Aluminium. So aluminium reacting with the lead nitrate. So aluminium will displace the lead from its salt solution and itself become aluminium nitrate. So that is AlNO3. Due to the valency of aluminium, there will be again 3 plus the lead will be displaced out. Clear? So this is how a metal react with a solution of other metals salt. So a metal react with a solution of other metal salt by which reaction? Displacement reaction. Clear? So note it down.